Golden Velvet Crema de Flor de Calabaza. A delicious Mexican appetizer recipe. This recipe serves 4 to 6 servings. Preparation takes about 25 minutes. And cooking takes around 30 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 4 bunches fresh squash blossoms, a half piece white onion, 2 pieces garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 4 cups chicken or vegetable stock, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon salt, a half teaspoon white pepper. Step 1. Begin by cleaning the squash blossoms. Gently pull off the green sepals at the base of the flower, remove the stems, and reach inside to pluck out the yellow pistil stamen. Rinse very briefly in cold water and pat dry with paper towels. Step 2. Set aside 4 to 5 clean blossoms to use later for garnish. Roughly chop the remaining blossoms into medium-sized pieces. Step 3. In a large heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven, melt the butter with the olive oil over medium heat until shimmering. Step 4. Add the diced onion and sauté for 4 to 5 minutes until translucent and soft, but not browned. Add the minced garlic and cook for another 60 seconds until fragrant. Step 5. Increase the heat slightly and add the chopped squash blossoms. Sauté for about 3 to 5 minutes. The blossoms will wilt significantly and release their moisture. Cook until the liquid has mostly evaporated. Step 6. Pour in the chicken or vegetable stock. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce heat to low and simmer for 10 minutes to allow the flavors to marry. Step 7. Carefully transfer the soup mixture to a high-speed blender. Blend on high until the soup is completely smooth and vibrant orange-yellow. Work in batches if necessary to avoid steam pressure buildup. Step 8. Return the blended soup to the pot over low heat. If you prefer a thicker consistency, whisk in the cornstarch slurry now and simmer for 2 minutes. Step 9. Slowly stir in the heavy cream. Season with salt, white pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg. Keep the soup at a bare simmer. Do not let it boil once the cream is added to prevent curdling. Step 10. Taste and adjust seasoning. The flavor should be delicate, creamy, and slightly floral. Step 11. While the soup stays warm, quickly sear the reserved blossom ribbons in a tiny bit of butter for 30 seconds to soften. Step 12. Ladle the hot cream into warmed bowls. Garnish with a drizzle of crema mexicana, a sprinkle of crumbled queso fresco, roasted corn kernels, and the sautéed blossom ribbons. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.